Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Fishing Spoons is probably one of the most versatile lures in any angler's tackle box. They're incredibly effective at attracting a wide variety of fish species. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, fishing spoons are easy to use and can be fished in various ways, making them a great choice for any fishing situation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of fishing spoons. Number 5. HESTYA Metal Fishing Lures, 5 sizes. This set includes 20 hard metal spinner baits in various sizes. They come in a convenient plastic box for easy storage and transport. Different sizes are provided to meet your diverse fishing needs. These lures are suitable for a wide range of fish species, including catfish, bass, and trout. They work well in both freshwater and saltwater environments, making them perfect for any fishing enthusiast. Each lure is equipped with sturdy carbon steel treble hooks. These hooks are designed to firmly grab and hold on to fish during the fight, ensuring you don't lose your catch. The fishing lures are made of durable and rust-proof zinc alloy. This ensures the lures can withstand the elements and catch all kinds of fish. The quantity provided ensures you have plenty for use and replacement. These lures reflect light, enhancing their appeal to fish. They also increase casting distance. The design, with its straight cut and large open hook, is highly effective at attracting fish. What we like. This set offers a wide range of sizes, ensuring you're prepared for various fishing conditions. The zinc alloy construction guarantees durability and rust resistance. The sharp hooks will help you to catch more fish. If you are looking for a versatile set that can handle different species and environments, you should consider this one. What people say. Those spoons are a fish magnet. I fished today and I caught a lot of fish on them. Highly recommended. Silver spoons are my favorite lure to throw during the spring for sandbass and crappie. Very happy to find such a variety in one package. Seem to be built well. I've caught 40 plus on one spoon and I see no wear on the hooks. Took this to the Caribbean for some shore casting and from a kayak. Caught barracudas, snapper, permit and a jack. The weights are accurate and seem like solid metal. They look good in the water. We've had them for a while now, and they hold up against constant use and the salt. Number 4. THKFISH Fishing Spoons with Tackle Box. These fishing spoons feature an oval design that casts and retrieves well. The lure sways back and forth, mimicking the lifelike swimming posture of small fish, attracting nearby predators. The spoons are made with highly reflective material and vibrant colors. Anglers can easily change the spoons based on the time of day and fishing conditions. They are rust-resistant and durable, but remember to keep them dry. These fishing spoons have a streamlined design with subtly tapered edges. This design creates a unique wiggling and wobbling action. When retrieved, it stays deep and wobbles freely, making it irresistible to many fish. These premium fishing spoons are great for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Whether you're casting, trolling, or jigging, these spoons will be effective. Anglers can customize the cast distance and depth of travel. The set includes 5 metal lures in different colors, each with a treble hook and a high-strength split ring. You can choose from 7 different weights. These classic spoons are a great addition to any tackle box and make a nice gift. What we like. These spoons feature a unique swimming action that mimics a real fish, attracting predators. The highly reflective material enhances visibility, and the aerodynamic design allows for longer casts. It is also available in multiple colors. If you like a lure that combines realism with effectiveness, you should consider it. What people say. The spoons have a great finish and the hooks are very sharp. They have a good weight to them and cast very well. The action on these spoons is amazing. Number 3. DONQL Spoon Lures 20 PCS Metal Fishing Spoons. These DONQL spoon lures are designed for long casts. The streamlined shape and internal steel balls allow it to reach distances up to 70 meters. This feature helps you cover more water and attract fish from afar. The lures feature an aerodynamic design for enhanced casting performance. This design not only improves distance but also contributes to a more stable flight, ensuring accurate casts every time. You will be impressed by it. The surface of each lure has a mirror-like finish. This creates a flash that mimics the scales of a real baitfish, attracting fish with its lifelike swimming action. The bright surface will quickly attract the fish. The set includes 20 lures in 10 different styles, each with gold and silver color options. This variety allows you to adapt to different fishing conditions and target various species. The package includes 8G*10 PCS plus 7G*2 PCS plus 5G*8 PCS, total 20 PCS metal fishing spoons. Each lure is equipped with sharp treble hooks. These hooks are designed to securely catch fish, increasing your chances of a successful catch. They are great lures for trout, pike, bass, perch, salmon, crappie and northern pikes etc. What we like. These lures are designed for long-distance casting, allowing you to reach more fish. The mirror-like finish creates a strong visual attraction, and the sharp hooks ensure a secure catch. If you are looking for a lure that can cast far and attract fish with its flash, you should consider this one. What people say. Used for casting and attracts game fish easily. They cast very well and have great movement when reeling in. Lightweight so are great for use in shallow water casting. Number 2. Metal Fishing Lures Kit, 30 PCS Colorful Spinner Baits. This fishing spoon wobbles in the water, imitating a fleeing fish. This action triggers the predator's instinct to chase and attack it. Different colors are available for various fishing conditions. The multiple colors enhance the reflection of sunlight, making it more effective. These lures spin and wobble, but not always in the same direction. This design dramatically reduces line twist while still providing the flash needed to attract fish. Spoon lures are most effective for larger fish species. It is suitable for northern pike, largemouth bass, muskies, walleye, salmon, and trout. The package includes 30 assorted metal fishing lures and a PVC box. It is suitable for trout fishing in ponds, lakes, and streams. It's a great accessory for fishing enthusiasts. What we like. The wobbling action triggers a predator's instinct, making it irresistible to fish. The variety of colors enhances the lure's effectiveness in different conditions. It also reduces line twist. If you like a lure that combines visual appeal with ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The spoons have a good finish. The action on these spoons is great. They cast a mile. Number 1. Silver Crocodile Spoon Lures, 2 ounces, 6-pack. Introducing the Silver Crocodile Spoon Lures. These lures are designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, making them a versatile choice for any angler. Its narrow minnow shape and heavy-duty design ensure exceptional performance. This construction allows it to excel in various fishing environments, providing reliability and effectiveness. This lure is ideal for targeting a wide range of species. Whether you're after bass, trout, or tuna, it's designed to attract and catch them all. Equipped with durable hooks, it ensures secure catches. These hooks are strong enough to handle larger, aggressive fish, giving you confidence on every cast. The reflective design mimics baitfish, maximizing visibility. This feature enhances its attraction in varying water conditions, increasing your chances of a successful catch. Designed for trolling, casting, or jigging, it suits any fishing style. This versatility makes it a great addition to any angler's tackle box. This pack includes 6 2-ounce lures, offering great value. This ensures you have enough lures for long-lasting use, making it a cost-effective choice. What we like. These lures are built for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, and are effective for a wide range of species. The durable hooks ensure secure catches, even with larger fish. If you are looking for a reliable lure that can handle various fishing environments and target multiple species, you should consider this one. What people say. Fishing off the shore in southeast Florida, this is my go-to lure for the trough. Caught jacks, snook, bluefish, ladyfish on it. Caught 2 bluefish surf fishing on the first time out. So far no rust. These are well made. Lures worked better than what I thought, but you do need to rinse them after fishing in saltwater, and if it had a better treble hook, but they still got the job done the way they came. Very satisfied with this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.